Hi guys, my name is Michael from PartsPro.ph, and today I'm going to talk to you guys about the Greddy Airinx-GT drop-in filter for your brand new Jimny. So let's go ahead and check out what's inside the box of the Greddy Airinx-GT drop-in filter for your brand new Suzuki. So this is the packaging. Obviously, Greddy is a Japanese company, so you're going to see Japanese writing all over, as well as in the back. When you open it up, you're going to have your drop-in filter right here. Now this is sealed, right? So I'm not going to go ahead and open it up because I want our customer to realize, or to get a freshly unopened item. But you can tell that the GT Airinx drop-in filter is a high performance drop-in filter. This is actually a perfect replacement for your stock or your other filters that you may have in there. But since your car is brand new, it just has a stock filter in there. This is gonna filter out the dirt and the debris better than your stock filter, and also giving you performance as well. So this is the drop-in filter for your brand new Jimny. That's going to give you, some performance, but really a lot of efficiency in terms of filtering effects. If you have any questions, please touch base with us. This is available here at PartsPro.ph. You can also check it out on the website, www.partspro.ph. Again, my name is Michael from PartsPro.ph. If you want to stop by, you can also, stop by the shop. We're located on 91 Congressional Avenue, Barangay Bahay Toro, Project 8, Quezon City. We're open Monday through Saturday, 8:30 in the morning until 6 p.m. at night. So if you're interested in changing out your filter for your brand new Jimny, go ahead and give us a call, shoot us a message, and ask about the Greddy Airinx-GT drop-in filter for your brand new Jimny. Again, my name is Michael, and this is the Greddy Airinx-GT drop-in filter for your brand new Jimny.